One of the things I love about no-gi jiu-jitsu is like you don't see rank. So on a small scale, there's no hierarchy. That emerges when you have the different color belts. Everybody's kind of the same. It's nice.
Yeah,
you get to like
see the skill.
The skill speaks, but there's just like a mutual respect and whatever. I mean, you can quickly find out who. I actually wonder if I would be able to figure out the rank of a person. You think you can you usually figure out how long a person's been doing jiu-jitsu?
I like to think with some of the aggressive clothing choices I've made and sold in the sport, that should be a beacon that person
is a blue belt.
Has hopefully some talent because they're fearlessly provoking the other party there.
Oh, it's like in the jungle whenever there's like a insect that's red that is like really flamboyant looking, that means they're dangerous.
It's a target, yeah. Being flamboyant. If you come on the mats with something pink gi or something, people are circling in fast, especially in Eastern Europe.
Okay.